Hello friends, usually the presenters use the inbuilt design themes like these. These are pretty old and repetitive. Let's see how to make the title slides not only exciting but contextual, by which I mean related to the context of your presentation. Something exciting like this. Isn't that wonderful? So for that, go to pixabay.com. Under Explore, select Videos, and now type the context of your presentation. Say suppose data. You can just hover over each of the videos and choose what fits you the best. Suppose this one. Now hit on free download. Now go to your presentation, your slide. Under Insert, choose Video on my PC. Insert it. So this hides the title. So right click on this image, say click on Send to Back. Now you can expand the image. And to make the titles visible, select the titles and change the font color. And now see. I'll show you another. Isn't it wonderful? This is the best way to catch audience attention. This can be done quite easily in Microsoft 365. Just go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images, hit Videos and follow the same as above. Thanks for watching this tutorial and don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel for more such tips. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Bye-bye.